So this problem asks you which system of equations has no solution. So remember, when something has no solution, you are looking at parallel lines. So I'll draw that. So parallel lines would have no solution. They're never going to cross. Anything else will have a solution. So if we had lines, they would eventually cross somewhere. That would be your solution. So which system has absolutely no solution? It would be when they have the same slope, but they have a different y-intercept. So here's our different y-intercept. We have the same slope. So we have choices. We can deal with solving this. We can play around. We can look at it. I am going to lead us straight to choice B, because the other thing about this is they cannot be the same. So you have 7x minus 2y equals 9. You have 7x minus 2y equals 13. That can't be true. That is not possible. So that would have to be our no solution. Let me just show you that. So you have a negative 2y plus 7x, I'll write it this way, equals 9. And let's say we solve this for y. We move our 7x's to the other side. So we'd have negative 2y equals negative 7x plus 9. When you divide this by negative 2, you'll end up with y equals 3.5x minus 4.5. If you were to do the same exact thing with the second one, it's essentially the same, but you're going to end up with y equals 3.5x minus something different, because it's 13 divided by 2 instead. So you'd end up with minus 6.5. So that would be why they have the same slope, but they have different y-intercepts.